How to fix high disk and memory usage when playing games on Windows 11. To fix high disk and memory usage when playing games on Windows 11, try 1. Run malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Run chkdsk command, chkdsk/x/f/r, as admin. 3. Disable Windows Search Indexer. 4. Disable Superfetch service. 5. Disable hibernation, run power.exe. /hibernate off command as admin. 6. Play your game in Windows Clean Boot State. 7. Other tips: install more advanced yet the same mode RAM. Use SSD.